Hello guys, welcome to the Mind Kid. I've got an unboxing of the Assassin's Creed Limited Edition School Edition of the Steelbook. So yeah, let's open this bad boy. Slide this off. Oh, and then show you the back. So this is the back. And this is the side. And let's open this now. So about oh yeah, nice and gentle. Like, this is a big bad boy. I've never seen the steelbook like this before. Look what you get inside the tin. You get a game. I'll show you the game in a minute. So you get the game. Yeah, stupid son of a gun. You get the game. You get the, I don't know what this is. I'll show you in a minute. Let's put it all out. It's a nice tin. Really nice tin. Oh yeah, this is the back of the tin. Side of the tin. Yep. So you get, let's open this. I don't know what this is. Oh, the soundtrack. It's just the soundtrack. I didn't get the disc for that. Shame. I've got this bad boy, which I've never. Ooh, cards. Oh, they're cool. So I got Assassin's Creed cards. Look, it's one of them. This is the one of them. Very nice. For that. This is the other one. By shaking. Alright, let's put this, hang on.